OPFOR's whole mission is to replicate near-peer threats and train RTU on how to react to those threats. That is the TSM-800 Generation 2 drone. It is a pre-programmed flight drone that we will enter in the mission and send it away, and it will go conduct the mission all on its own.
The Army trains itself and other nations on drones because we've noticed in the current battle spaces and the last several years that drones are extremely prevalent, and we don't see it stopping. We've been able to watch the units that we train grow and be very aware of what's above them in order to prevent our drones from targeting them. By training units on how to deal with these now, it better enables them for when they're actually in a real battle space and how to handle these drones.
We're hoping that they will react to contact with contact so that they will fight the fight, where they're able to displace and regroup and then go on the offensive.